Welcome to Japonica Cooking. My name is Sachiko. Japonica Cooking is all about Japanese food and Japanese food culture. Please like it if you enjoy this video and please subscribe for future videos. Today I am going to cook Chawon-Mushi. Chawon-Mushi is a savory egg custard dish. Chawon is a bowl. Mushi is a steaming. So Chawon-Mushi. It's a steaming in a bowl. This wonderful dish is something I love you to try. It has a delicate custard texture and strong umami flavor. Steaming is a very common technique in Japanese cooking. This is one of excellent textbook. In here, explain about 30 different variety of steaming techniques. Steaming can be used for a complete dish like a Chawon-Mushi. Also, it often used as a part of a dish like a steaming fish with sake and finish off in a broth, which can be served as a clear soup. This shows how steaming is largely used in Japanese cooking. In professional kitchen, always large steamer are set on the hob, ready to use while it's on service. It's often a square, large one, something like this. Steaming is excellent techniques, easy to control heat. Also, it's really healthy way of cooking. Today I am going to show you a very simple, basic Chawon-Mushi using this shimeji and tenderstem broccoli and chicken thigh. You can always use a variety of ingredients such as prawn, fish cake, shiitake mushroom, ginkgo nuts. Those are very popular ingredients for Chawon-Mushi. Also, I am going to use ichiban dashi, which I have another video. Please check the link below. Okay, let's get started. I am making 2 small individual Chawon-Mushi, and each cup is about 200 milliliter size. It only uses half of chicken thigh, about 50 grams for 2, skinless and boneless, cut into half-inch cubes. Because it is cooking in a custard, ingredients need to be smaller and same size. Then, half teaspoon of sake rub into the meat. The cooking sake helps to reduce the distinct meaty smells and tenderize meat. Leave it on side. Prepare the egg custard. I am using 1 large egg and 180 milliliter ichiban dashi. This is 1:3 in volume, 1 part egg and 3 parts stock. Slowly pour the ichiban dashi to the egg. This stock needs to be cool before you add to the egg. This will give you a perfect light texture of a custard. Mix with chopsticks or fork to avoid air goes into the mixture. This helps to create smooth and silky texture. Add seasonings. Half teaspoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of usukuchi shoyu and pinch salt. If you don't have any usukuchi shoyu, use regular shoyu. Add just a tiny bit of extra salt because usukuchi shoyu is saltier than regular shoyu. Once it mixed well, you need to strain. This will help to avoid having lumps. Then, give it a rest. Prepare the fillings. I have a 15 grams of shimeji mushroom, 20 grams of tenderstem broccoli. Wash and wipe off the excess moisture. Then, trim them. Cut into smaller pieces in sort of same size. Fillings can be many selections, but don't want to have something takes long to cook, such as dry mushroom or like potatoes. Those need to be pre-cooked. Also, filling needs to be less than quarter of its volume. If there is too much raw ingredients, it takes longer than custard to cook. Those will release much moisture, then difficult to set a custard. Now it's a time to set a steamer. Start to boil up plenty water. When fillings are ready, pour the custard gently. This always can be prepared in cups or any ramekins, at least if they are heat-proofed. You need to have a lid to avoid steam goes in, but you can always use cling film or foils to cover your cups. Before you start cooking, make sure the water is boiling. Start with high heat for 3 minutes and then turn down to the medium heat for 7 minutes. This is small size steamer which keeps heat well and also cooking in a small size cup, so it will take only 10 minutes in total. If you cook this first time, you should check in 5 minutes in second timer, just to avoid overcook. Please be careful that steam, lids and cups are so hot. I have well-trained fingers, so it looks fine, but it's really hot. Time to check your custard. If you can see that clear juice on the edge, that's done. If you are not sure, you can give it a poke in the center. If juice is not clear, you need to cook for a couple more minutes. In here, beautifully cooked. Serve while it's hot. This dish will be served as a soup for your starter, nice and light. It's a wonderful dish to start with a meal. Use seafood such as crabs and scallops makes the dish elaborate. Or even can be vegetarian to use vegetarian dashi and selection of vegetables. Hope you enjoyed this fabulous Chawon-Mushi. That's it today. Thank you so much for watching Japonica Cooking. Please like it and subscribe. See you next time.